Hello, 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 hello. How are we doing today? Are we tired? Because it's 4 p.m. Can I get a bit of a woo something to know that? There we go. All right, all right. Okay, so from guesswork to game plan, we're going to be discussing a trading strategy that sticks. All right. All right. Guys, a little bit of energy. I want to know that we are here. Okay, all right. So, I know that the previous speakers had already covered, technical analysis. So I'm not going to be telling you where to buy and where to sell and where's a demand zone and where a supply zone is. I'm not going to be discussing any of that today. But what I'm going to be sharing with you is a strategy, right? So I want us to use our imagination just a little bit over here. Imagine being invited to a gold mine and you arrive with only one mining machine. And you use this machine to extract gold for you every day. Are you with me? Okay. So after each day, you put away the gold you've extracted for the day away into a reserve, right? So you've extracted gold, you're putting it away into a place for safekeeping, a reserve. Some days go by and you repeat this process until your reserve has enough money to buy you a second machine, right? Okay. You now have two machines working at the gold mine at the same time every day, allowing you to extract more gold much quicker each day. And each day you put away the gold you've extracted for the day into a reserve. Again, a place for safekeeping. You then use your reserves to buy a third machine, and then a fourth, and then a fifth, by obviously repeating the process over and over again. You now have 5 machines working at full capacity, allowing you to extract gold quicker. Are you with me? Okay. So this is obviously an analogy, right? Now, what is the problem, the most common problem that traders mostly face? There are trillions of dollars traded on the markets every single day. Most people who start off their trading journey register and trade with only one trading account. How many people have done that? You have one trading account and you're like, this one is gonna be the one that makes me a millionaire. I know for a fact. I'm gonna behave, I'm not gonna over leverage. This one is the one that's going to get me that thing that I want, right? So nobody's done that. So you guys are all disciplined here. Okay, okay. Anyway, you make silly mistakes along the way by trying to become rich too quick and you end up losing it all. Now, the solution to this problem is that instead of having only one trading account, you can then build a trading portfolio, not a holy grail account. You can have multiple trading accounts in your portfolio and use them to hedge your risks by applying different trading strategies on each of them. Explore the different strategies and see what works for you. Some trading accounts can be used for intraday trades, some for swing trades, and some for high risk scalping strategies, right? And each trading account will take profit or hit stop loss at different times. And this will allow you to have multiple income streams from one income stream. Now, let's get into the steps. Let's get into the steps on how to actually execute this strategy. So you open 5 trading accounts with the same broker, right? You have account 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They are all empty, as you can see. Now, you add money to one trading account. Let me shift to the side so you guys can see it. You add money to one trading account, and let's say in this instance, you've added 5,000 Rand, right? You trade, and then you make 500 Rand profit. Does this sound like a realistic profit? 500 Rand profit. You made 500 bucks for the week. You take that profit and you fund your second account, right? So you've withdrawn the profits you've made from account 1 and put it into account 2 and repeat this process daily until account 2 has enough money to trade. So what is the point? The point is to make account 2 look like account 1. Okay. Now that you've made them look the same by after adding profits, after trading and successfully making account 2 look like account 1, you now have 2 trading accounts with money in them. Did you have to take out another 5 grand to fund this account? No. You didn't have to do that because you were trading so that you could be able to fund your second account. So step 4, you repeat the process, right? You make money through trading and use your profits to fund account 3. Again, in this case, you made 500 Rand in account 1. And account 2, you made 1 grand. You take the profits from account 1 and account 2, and then you fund account 3. You add the money to account 3 and repeat this process daily until account 3 has enough money to trade. What is the point? To make account 3 look like account 1 and 2, right? So now, after adding profits from account 1 and 2, you now have 3 trading accounts with money in them. Do you see how this applies to the analogy we had earlier on? Yes, no, maybe somewhere along the lines. Okay. So now you have 3 trading accounts that each have 5 grand in them. You make money through trading and use your profits to fund account 4. In this account, you only made 300 bucks. Account 2, you made 800 Rand. And in account 3, you made 2,500 Rand. You take those profits, you withdraw those profits, you withdraw your profits, you withdraw your profits. You don't keep them in your accounts. I know I'm talking to someone here. You withdraw those profits and you fund account 4. Account 4 now has 3,600 Rand. We want to make account 4 look like the rest of the other accounts, right? So we need to keep repeating this process until account 4 looks like the rest of the other accounts. Are you with me? Yes, okay. Now we have 4 accounts that each have 5,000 Rand in them. How many times did you have to take out 5,000 Rand? Once, right? And now finally, the last step, somewhat. Make money through trading and use your profits to fund account 5. So account 1, again, you just made another 300 bucks. And then account 2, you made 800 bucks. Account 3, 2,500 Rand. And then account 4, you made 600 Rand. You withdraw these profits and then you finally fund account 5. And now your account 5 has 4,200 Rand. We want it to look exactly like the other accounts. Now, once we've repeated that process and account 5 now has enough money to trade, this is basically what you have going on for you. How much is this in total? Maths, 5, 10, 15, 10. How much is it? Let's hear. Huh? For people who like money, I want to hear it come out confidently. Okay, I heard them. Now they were like, I love money. Of course, I know what it is. Okay, and you only had to take out 5,000 Rand. So being able to build multiple income streams from only one income stream, that is basically the objective of all of this. So why would you use this method in the first place? It helps you create multiple income streams from one income stream. It helps spread your eggs across multiple baskets because diversification is king. If you have all your eggs in one basket, I mean, where has that ever been a thing that actually works, that's sustainable? You need to be able to have multiple eggs spread across multiple baskets. It helps you focus on overall fund performance instead of, only one trading account that you're going to be putting pressure on because you have dreams, you have things that you want, and you want this account to work for you. So if you're going to rely on this account, you're definitely going to keep making mistakes because you're putting pressure on only this account. Do you understand? So you are likely to end off more months profitable, even if one or two accounts are in a loss, because we can't take that away that that type of thing can happen. It can, right? But the point is you want to be able to have other accounts that you can always, try and recover with. Okay. So that is basically just, how that works. And that's the trading strategy that has worked for me. So I know for a fact that it has worked for me really well and it still does. And yeah, it should work for you. So try it out and let's see how that turns out. Okay. All right. So we're going to do something very infamous. I'm sure some of you are very familiar with this. We're all going to be saying you should be trading at a count of 3. Okay. Can I please get my cell phone? It didn't look like you were coming with my cell phone. So on a count of 3, I'd like you all to please stand up. I know, guys, it's been a long day, but it's the last session. So if we may, can we just get up on our feet and close this amazing event off with a bang? Okay. We're all going to say you should be trading because I believe we're all interested in trading. So let's let everybody else know that they should be trading. Okay, so at a count of 3, I want you all to say it with me, okay? At a count of 3, I'm gonna 1, 2, 3, and then we're gonna say it. All right. 1, 2, 3. You should be trading. I love that. Can we do it one more time for the one time with all your might? Let's say it one more time. You should be trading. Oh, sorry, I didn't count. Okay. Let me count, Shane. Let me count. 1, 2, 3. You should be trading. There we go. Love the energy, you guys. Have an amazing, amazing, amazing rest of your Friday. It is the weekend. Thank you. And these are my social media accounts. Please be careful of people who are impersonating me. These are the only accounts I have, okay? So please. Thank you all so much and have an amazing day.